Okay, so we're going to import some dots now, or create dots, and we click the menu. We need to show dots, and just as an example, we've got some postcodes already pre-populated here, and you would paste a column of postcodes in there, however many you want really, and then click add dots to map, and those dots will appear. Now you can change the size of the dots, the radius approximately in miles, the thickness of the stroke opacity, how dark or transparent it is, and whether it's dashed or solid, and the fill. You can make it virtually transparent if you like, and you can change the stroke color of the dots and the fill color. And what's really cool, in a similar way to how we did it with the radial circles, we can also find the centroids of the postcodes that exist within each of these circles. Once we've found those, we can then colour the postcodes. Are you sure? We have to ask this question because it will wipe out any colours you already have on the map. Continue. So that has now coloured in. We'll get rid of all the dots. It's coloured in all the postcodes within the dots. Unfortunately, we pre-filled it with these random colours, so we'll do random there. So that has coloured in our dots for us. We can change the colours manually here, and you can also tweak them if you want, add areas. That's it, importing dots.